How to use the template in Canva? There are actually three methods. The first one is you go to template file here. Then you can see that there are different kinds of template depending on whatever you want to create. So let's say, for example, now we want to create a flyer. Click on this. Then when you come to the flyer template, you can select style or whatever you want here. You can even select language. Then note, there are things that have crown, meaning they are pro. So if you don't have a pro plan, this would not work. So let's, for example, now come to something that is not pro. So I'm going to select this. Then once I see this, then I can click on customize this template. So once the template load, as you can see, I can edit, remove this image, edit the text, and do whatever I want to do. The second method is if you click create, then let's say we want to do a presentation. I will select this. Then this is our blank canvas. We can easily come down to templates. So once I tap on template, it's going to show me different templates based on my dashboard or based on what I have on my canvas here. Then also remember, there are also things that have crown. So anything that have crown is premium. So I'm going to select the template that doesn't have any crown. So once I select it, you can see it has many pages. You can apply all 10 pages or apply a particular page to this. But let's say, for example, that I want to apply all pages. So as you can see, all the templates from this has entered and I can start editing it, moving things around. The last one is if you are given a template by somebody who designed it custom, you might find something like this. Once you click on the link, all you just have to do is click on view templates and it's going to click, and you can click on this, open an editor, and now you can have access to this template, edit it how you like.